Dive into ChatGPT Prompt Engineering. Introduction to ChatGPT Prompt Mastery. Welcome to the first tutorial of our ChatGPT Prompt Mastery series. I'm here to guide you through the fascinating world of fine-tuning ChatGPT with carefully engineered prompts. What is ChatGPT? First things first, let's define ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced model developed by OpenAI. It's an AI language model that interprets and generates human-like text. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that responds almost like a human. That's ChatGPT for you. The magic of prompt engineering. Now, onto the heart of our discussion, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting specific and contextual inputs to guide ChatGPT's outputs. It's like fine-tuning a musical instrument to get the perfect sound or providing clear directions to a traveler. The importance of precision. Precise prompts are essential. A vague or ambiguous prompt can lead ChatGPT astray. Consider the difference between asking someone, "Tell me about the ocean," versus "Describe the layers of the ocean and their significance." With precision, you set the path for a more comprehensive and relevant response. Common misconceptions and pitfalls. Just as with any tool, there are common mistakes when using ChatGPT. Overloading a prompt with too much information, or assuming the model knows your specific context, can lead to undesired outputs. Recognizing these pitfalls is key to mastering prompt engineering. A glimpse into advanced techniques. Beyond the basics, there are advanced strategies for optimizing prompts. These include methods like iterative refining, where you progressively adjust a prompt, and chaining, where you build a conversation with the model to maintain context. Our series will deep dive into these techniques. Embarking on the prompt mastery journey. Mastering prompt engineering for ChatGPT is both an art and a science. It requires experimentation, an understanding of the model's strengths and limitations, and the application of best practices. Together, we'll navigate this landscape, unlocking the potential of ChatGPT. So, buckle up, and let's embark on this journey of discovery and mastery together.